to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today, lesson Eagle Kung Fu, lesson 6. The first part of the video is the Eagle Kung Fu against Monkey Kung Fu. I invite a special guest, my student Jaden. Jaden, come here.
Hi everybody.
Yeah, alright. So Jaden, how old are you?
9.
9 years old. Wow. Okay, so how long you been training Kung Fu and Wushu?
3 to 4 years.
So you won a lot of gold medals?
Yeah.
Wow. So today's video is Monkey Kung Fu against the Eagle Kung Fu. Who you think gonna win?
Let's find out.
Yes, let's find out. Wow, that is great. Are you ready for the fight? How is it, little monkey? How is it, little monkey? He beat me very hard. Finally, I used my eagle claw to catch the little monkey. Let's see where my little monkey. Go, monkey. tutorial step by step. The first two movements, back sweep kick and double kick. So follow me now. Last move from lesson 5. Stand up, quick step your right and go all the way squash and make double kick. As soon you land, you step back your right. To achieve the double kick, you jump high and straight and you bend both legs the side way and just kick both sides to make your line like this. And how quick you kick and how quick you go down. So thus you can landing with your balance. Back sweep, you both hands on the floor and you stay low you can, heel up and you rotate by your toes. And you sweep by your right leg, you go twist and you go sweep. So you can start with a less angle. Once you have more practice, you push your hand harder and you sweep faster. As soon you done this move, your right hand become the eagle hand and go attack. Great work. Let's start the move number 1. Go further. Stand up. 1, 2. Double kick. Back sweep kick. Attack. And quick recover. And step left. Your right hand. 45 attack down. And you step attack the other side. Let's see the step first. After back sweep, quick recover, step left, and quick step right, and go down. So like third steps was 1 and 2 and 3, and again step, circle step, and go down with your hand. 45 and step attack from down to up. Let's start the movement number 1 until further. Stand up, go double kick, left back sweep, attack, step your left, 1 and 2, attack. After this one, you quickly recover. Same thing, you go attack your left, 45 down, you step left, 45 this way, and attack this way. Let's start the movement number 1 until the end. Stand up, quick step, and double kick, a left back sweep, and attack. So go 1, and step right, and 2, attack this way, and you quick recover, and you go 1, left hand down, you step left, and attack. After that, you quickly recovered, you both hands go down, you set weight on the floor, you make a sweep by your right, a circle, attack. See. Let's just say this sweep movement is a great combo. So the first one, your right hand attack, 45 down and come back with this way, and change left hand, the same thing, and then you make that sweep straight to the leg with the power and the whole circle around, and come back with your eagle club. That's all for today, the Eagle Kung Fu Lesson 6. If you have any questions, leave your comment down below. I see you in next video. Thank you very much. I love you all, and bye bye.